My dear students and learners, how are you? My expectation is, against the situation of COVID-19, you are fine. Today, I'd like to make a distinction line between exploratory study and conclusive study. To do that, firstly, we need to identify the issues of distinctions. So what are the areas of differences between two kinds of the research designs? Distinctions lines are objectives, second is characteristics of the study, findings of the research, and lastly, outcomes of the study. The objective of the exploratory study is to provide insights and understanding. On the other hand, the conclusive study's objective is to test specific hypotheses and examine the relationships. A significant line of otherness between exploratory and the conclusive study is their own characteristics. In exploratory study, information needed is defined only loosely. But in case of conclusive study, information needed is clearly and precisely defined. When a researcher conducts a research under the exploratory research design, in that case, his or her research process is very much flexible and unstructured. On the other side, conclusive study must be conducted through maintaining all kinds of the formalities of the research activity, and such type of research is very much structured. Generally, the sample size of the exploratory study is small and non-representative. But without taking the large and representative sample size, the conclusive research will not be done. Analysis of collected primary data under the exploratory research design is qualitative. But in doing conclusive study, data analysis is quantitative as the rule of thumb. Certainly, conclusive research differs from exploratory in findings. The result of exploratory study is tentative, and from the findings of the conclusive research, it's possible for the researcher to draw the conclusion about a problem. And the final point of dissimilarity between these two types of research design is outcome of the study. Typically, the exploratory research is followed by further exploratory or conclusive research, and the findings from the conclusive research are considered to be conclusive in nature, in that they are used as input into managerial decision making. So these are all the points of disparity between exploratory and conclusive study. That's all for today. Bye. Goodbye.
Thank you very much, dear learners, for your such kind of patience.